Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to mine on the Binance Pool. And to do so is very easy. We'll just need to follow these few simple steps. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is to open Binance and log into your account. So as you can see here, I'm on my own account. So I will show you how to do this. Let's go to more in the section here. Let's go to more and then go to the mining pool. So you'll find it right here between Megadrop and NFT. So click on mining pool here and wait a few seconds for the page to load. So for this tutorial, I will take the Bitcoin because it's the most popular one. I will take it for an example. So if I click on it, you will find a lot of URLs, but that's not important for the moment. Let's go to the mining dashboard. So click on mining dashboard and then here click on create mining account. So you can enter the mining account name. So let's say, for example, tutorial example 1 or something like that. And then here in the remark, it's optional, so you can put something in it or just leave it as it is. Now here for the default coin for the mining account, you can change it after. It's not really important, but I will just take Bitcoin. It's preferable to choose the coin that you will mine from the first creation of the account. So let's choose Bitcoin here, and then click on I have read and agree to the service agreement. Okay, so now once the account has been created and successfully connected, you will find these few simple steps that you will have to follow from the page directly. So the first thing is to connect to the local network. You can connect your PC to the local area network, which is LAN basically, where your miner is connected. You can use your own computer as a miner. I will make a tutorial about that in the future. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to the channel and the video will automatically be popping on your feed. Okay, so now moving on to the second step, mining URL setting. You can enter the miner IP on your PC, then go to the configuration page and set mining pool URLs in pool 1, 2, and 3 separately. So if you remember, that's what we saw earlier. So if I open this in a new tab, and then I go to, for example, Bitcoin, you will find the port 1, yeah, it's this one, a mining URL, so stratum, etc. There are a lot of ports, so this is the first, the second, and the third. And that's it, basically. That's what you will put in the settings of your miner. And then you can also configure the settings of your miner. You can just follow this tutorial. It will be very easy. Now, just click on save and apply, and you will be good. The miner will work in less than 10 minutes. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.